Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial showing you how to use the campus printers. First, you can just Google U of T printing and it'll bring you to this website. To print something, you have to load money onto your T card and then pay for it when you get to the library. So click adding funds and then click on this link here. Once you're on this website, click here and then just sign in. So this shows the current balance for printing on your T card. To add money, click on this, and then just follow all the instructions here to enter your payment method. So you can print by either going to the library, signing into one of their computers, and opening up whatever document you want to print, and then sending it to the printer. You can also add a library printer directly to your laptop, and then just send the document from your laptop. So to do that, come back to the OneSearch Library website and then click on this link. Select whichever device you have and then follow the instructions there to add the printer to your laptop. So when you want to print something, click on Print as Usual from your laptop, and then at the top, select the printer. The U of T printers will show up in an address like this. So the fee for printing is different at each library. Some of the costs are here. You can just Google how much printing is, or you can go to the printing station at the library and it'll show you there.